How do I test my car's battery to see if it needs replacement? Testing your car's battery to determine if it needs replacement is a straightforward process. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you test your car's battery. Tools you'll need. Multimeter, also known as a voltmeter. Steps. Safety first. Ensure that the vehicle is turned off and the key is removed from the ignition. Access the battery. Open the vehicle's hood and locate the battery. The battery is typically found in the engine bay, often on one side near the front of the vehicle. Check for corrosion. Inspect the battery terminals for any corrosion or buildup. If you notice corrosion, clean the terminals using a mixture of baking soda and water and a wire brush. Multimeter setup. Set your multimeter to DC voltage and the appropriate range, usually 20 volts. Connect the red positive LED of the multimeter to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect the black negative LED of the multimeter to the negative terminal of the battery. Open circuit voltage test. With the multimeter connected, read the voltage displayed on the multimeter. This is the battery's open circuit voltage. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 to 12.8 volts. If the voltage is significantly lower, it may indicate a weak or discharged battery. Load test. If the open circuit voltage is low or if you want a more comprehensive test, perform a load test. Have an assistant attempt to start the vehicle while you monitor the multimeter. During cranking, the voltage should not drop below 9.6 to 10 volts. If it drops significantly lower, it suggests a weak or failing battery. Interpret results. If the open circuit voltage is significantly lower than the recommended range and the load test indicates a substantial voltage drop during cranking, it's likely that your battery needs replacement. Note: if you're unsure about the testing process, it's recommended to take your vehicle to a professional mechanic or an auto parts store. Many auto parts stores offer free battery testing services using specialized equipment. Remember that a weak or failing battery can also be caused by other issues, such as a faulty alternator or charging system. If you suspect a problem with your battery, it's a good idea to have the entire charging system inspected by a professional mechanic.